Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix volume not working on laptop or PC. To start, from the search box, open Services. There, select and double-click on the Windows Audio service. There, click on the Stop button to pause the service. Then press Start to reactivate it. Apply the changes. After this, right-click on Start and open the Task Manager. Here, select Windows Explorer. Once you have it selected, click on Restart Task. Wait for the environment to load again. When it is complete, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. In the Audio Inputs and Outputs section, right-click on the speaker and choose Update Driver. Click on the option, search automatically for drivers and wait for the validation to take place. To complete this process, restart the system and this will fix this error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.